when I bet your ass be on the floor. Big carbon hit like Mayweather. Tula come through with boa hoe. Got millions out that rap shit they hate.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome to a new weekly vlog, but this one's gonna be a little bit different because this one is a maintenance vlog. So yeah, my name is Rincey. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, y'all, this is gonna be like a self-care maintenance vlog. And what better place to start than my kitchen, because that's where I always start. But first off, today is Tuesday. We're starting out on a Tuesday, not a Monday. And that's because I wanted to go get my nails and toes done today. But we have a dilemma. I tried to book my appointment yesterday and my nail tech wasn't available. So I'm debating if I want to get my toes done today and then still go to my nail appointment on Thursday, or just wait till Thursday to do everything. We have a few little things on our list. Nails, my hair appointment is tomorrow. We need to get a wax, toes, and then I'm gonna try to film my best of me doing my DIY lashes. So that's the plan for the week, so you guys know what the video is gonna be about. But I have a few home updates and a few things that I wanna show you guys. Went to Target and I grabbed some things, but I want to give you guys like a little home update. You've all seen my living room before. So living room, I got these cute tulips yesterday. I need to put them in the sunlight a little bit, but y'all know, I think I said like in like 2-3 vlogs ago that I wanted to change these pillows out, so I end up getting some pillows at Target. So we're about to actually put them on the couch now. Bags from Target. I didn't even know Target had these big old bags. So I got these decorative pillows, gray, because it matches the aesthetic still. I didn't want to go too far off of the gray pillows that we have now, but I wanted to change it up. Okay, so this is it now with the new pillows. I like it. Nothing too bad. I went with 3 even though it came with 4, so it's just gonna have to be like this because 4 just looked very excessive. So this is cute. Y'all know the table that I have here I got from Amazon, which brings me to announce, girl finally has an Amazon storefront. It will be linked in the description box, so make sure you guys check it out. I'm so glad to finally have Amazon storefront because I love Amazon. I shop on Amazon all the time. Literally, I got 2 packages in yesterday from Amazon. So finally, I'm able to have links for you guys to shop on there on Amazon, because who doesn't love Amazon? So my table will be linked on there. Like a lot of the home stuff that I showed you guys in my previous vlogs will be linked on there as well. So that's great. The last little home update that I have to show you guys is this mirror that I found. So I had a white mirror here, and I love taking my pictures right here. Like if you follow me on Instagram, my pictures in this mirror. Let me actually turn my light a little bit better. So yeah, we found this black one at Home Goods, and she's just like perfect because she's more wide. I feel like this is gonna be so cute when I take my pictures even more now. But I just wanted to show you guys the mirror. It's super cute. This won't be obviously linked on Amazon, but maybe I can find one that's similar to it if you like it or are interested. But yeah, y'all, so that's really all I have for home updates for right now. I said I have a hair appointment tomorrow, so tonight we're gonna like wash my hair a little bit, at least since I took my braids out, wash the root of my hair. The lady that's doing my hair, I never had her do my hair before, but wash and blow dry is included, and you know that is unheard of these days. So I'm gonna let her wash my hair and all that jazz. But I just want to make it, you know, less difficult for her, considering I just had braids on, so I know I had like gel and stuff in my hair. Yeah, I will see you guys later in the vlog. line, bust down, middle part, yeah. But no, y'all, I love my hair. She did great. Love it. I got 22-inch raw Cambodian hair. And yeah, I love it. The hair is like literally so full and thick. But yeah, y'all, we're back home. It's Wednesday, hair appointment day. Tomorrow, update. Tomorrow, we're getting our nails done. We already got our toes done. I need to soak these nails off tonight, and then we're also getting a wax. And yeah, all our maintenance will be done. I didn't say this in the beginning of the vlog, but we have so many new subscribers. So if you're new here, thank you guys for subscribing, new and old. I appreciate y'all that watch my videos. I really do. Your girl is going to be doing a giveaway, which I'm going to explain in a little second. But because I've been hitting many of my goals, I've been over the weekend I bought me some stuff, so I want to show it to you guys. And I just got a package in the mail, so we're about to do a little unboxing or whatever. So yeah, let's go to the couch to do all that though. How do we feel about this area? I don't know, y'all. I love my hair. Like, I love my hair. But anyways, so we're gonna get to the giveaway part after I show you guys my stuff. But what should we start with? Let's start with what I got over the weekend. I've been looking for some new accessories and jewelry, little things like that. So I went to Swarovski and I got this necklace. She's so cute. And the lady was telling me that this was like really popular piece. Oh, I did try it on, so it's not like buckled all the way, but look at her. So pretty. But yeah, I love this necklace. It's so pretty. I already tried it on, but she's cute. I'm not gonna put it on right now because it's low-key a little difficult. But yeah, so I got that necklace, which I wanted to wear for like, it could be worn for every day, and I wanted to wear it out because the whole point of us doing this maintenance is we're going on a trip. But I don't know if I'm not vlogging the trip. I'm not vlogging the trip. I need something to myself. So I'm not vlogging the trip, but that's what this maintenance vlog is for. So we're still on the theme of jewelry. We're gonna keep that going. So clearly that necklace wasn't enough for me. And I impulsively bought this, but once I bought it, I really had justification for it because we've hit our goals on YouTube. We're making it. Y'all are loving me on TikTok. Thank you. Shout out to the subscribers that came from TikTok because y'all some real ones. But yeah, my content's been doing well on TikTok, been doing well on YouTube. So I wanted to get myself something. Plus, I never really got myself anything for when I hit 1K subscribers. So we went to Tiff. We went to Tiffany. And I wanted something really dainty. Don't judge. I already unboxed it. So the bow isn't bowing. It's not the Tiffany classic bow because I kind of messed it up already. But here we go. I got the Tiffany heart tag necklace, and it's really, y'all can see it, but I got the pink heart with the Tiffany heart logo. Super, super cute. I can't wait to wear it. I didn't wear it today because I want to wait till I leave to go on my trip or just wear it every day. Just my classic everyday type of wear. But yeah, I got that necklace. So I'm officially a Tiffany girl. Yeah, you know, you gotta celebrate the little wins in life. So the next is clothing. Should I do clothing? Let's do clothing. I might not show y'all my whole fit because it's gonna be in the next vlog, which is gonna be another weekly vlog, like full weekly vlog, and it's gonna be a little fun because my friends are coming in town. But anyways, that's besides the point. I did some shopping. I went to Akira. Well, y'all look at this bag from Akira. She's huge. She's bigger than me. But I got some shoes. Let me show you guys these heels. These heels are to die for. To die for. They're so cute. Look at these. So freaking pretty, y'all. Do you see that? Get into the details. And I love that the heel wasn't too high. I could do high heels regardless, but I don't have like a shoe that's made like this, so I wanted these. We have another big boy. So this is also a first time buy. We have a lot of first times. Everything is a first time buy except Akira. Like, I shop at Akira a lot, but that's my first time getting something at Swarovski, first time getting something at Tiffany. And then I also got this little bag because of buy. I just got this because I kind of was like, I want a new tote. I have my Marc Jacobs tote, but I'm like, I've had it for like 2 years now. I'm like over it, low key. I brought it today, love her, but I need something new. And I'm like, just buy something nice for yourself. So I wrote me like a little note. I told them to put it in gift wrapping. So it's from Tory Burch, y'all. Super, super, super cute. It's the big boy. Let me take a picture of the bag first, y'all. Let me take a picture. We'll come back and open this just one second. Oh, it's Velcro, fancy. Oh, and it comes like this. So I guess this comes in a small, but I got a large, which I'm glad I got the large. But look at her. Super, super, super cute. I never had a bag like this. I like the Neverfull is like classic, and I'm not gonna say one day I'm not gonna get it, but I just wanted to get something that's different, because I have my eye on another Louis bag that I want. That's a classic as well, but I really just I don't want a Neverfull. Like, I don't, not right now at least. It comes with a lot of space, y'all. Has a zipper as well, which I like, and it also comes with that you can keep in there. Has a zipper as well, so super cute. I'm taking this with me on the plane. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. Like I said, it's a large. And I bought a bag divider organizer thing, so I'm gonna put that in there. There's a good amount of space in here, but yeah. This is the tote. Super, super cute. It's in the new ivory shade. The new ivory color. And yeah, super cute. That's really it for the collective haul. Now onto the giveaway. The rules are simple. For those that don't know or are new here, I do have my own cosmetics brand, Armula Cosmetics. So I'm gonna be gifting some of my products away to a subscriber. I'm gonna be real simple. All you have to do is be subscribed to me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment. And then I'm gonna randomly choose somebody that wins. And when you comment, add your Instagram. That way I can obviously verify if you follow me, follow back, stuff like that. That way I can send you the giveaway items. So yeah, those are the rules. But yeah, I'm about to make some food, y'all, because I'm hungry. And I will see you guys tomorrow when we go get our nails done. Y'all, we're done with our nails. They came out really cute, which I gotta show you guys. But now we're at our wax appointments. Radiant waxing. So let's go in here, y'all, and get our wax. We're back from wax, nails, and the last thing on our agenda is lashes. So I'm gonna show you guys the lashes that I get. Get these off Amazon. Try to make this part as seamless and as fast as possible. So it can take a while. I need to turn on some music too. Bad lash. Yep, this is the decurl from 12 to 18. I think 12 to 18 is cool. I have some smaller clusters too if I want to do like 10s, and I just might, or 11s too. Comes with the lash bond, the seal, and tweezers. Watch me do my DIY lashes. It's best to get this out of me, but maybe you hoped I wouldn't notice. Look at the trust closing in. Sometimes, maybe valleys of despair. You should know that. Let's get to talking. I'm not mine. Okay, y'all, I think I'm done with this eye. It's Memorial Day weekend, so hence why I know people are probably wondering like, oh, why you get your nails done? You're in nursing school. I don't have clinical yet, so my clinical doesn't start till later, so yeah. Move on to the left eye.
Cause with everybody who ain't good for my health, baby. And you can't deny. Knows that I won't ever pay too much. But you know how, I bet you know how I'm coming. And how we looking? I think I'm satisfied. Let's see. Let's look in the camera. I think we're good. I think this is as good as it's gonna get. I really just think I'm thrown off because I haven't wore long. I think I'm gonna add one right here. Just try to get as close to my lash line. I have some work to do and I need to finish packing my clothes. So I'm gonna do a proper outro in a second. My camera has not been focusing on me, but these are the lashes, y'all. Hopefully you can see them a little bit better. But yeah, we are officially done with our maintenance. The only last thing I'm gonna do is pack, like I said, and then I think I'm gonna curl my hair overnight so it can be curled already. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. Remember the rules for the giveaway. Make sure you're subscribed to me, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment with your Instagram handle in it, and I will use the generator to pick the winner. And yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next vlog.